Looney Bird? Looney Bird? Looney Bird? I'd like to talk to you. I'm sorry I fussed at you a little while ago, Looney Bird. I'm only human, you know. Please talk to me. You know you're my best friend, Looney Bird. And I promise I'll never yell at you again if you'll talk to me, Looney Bird. Please say you'll forgive me.
I forgive you, Billy Bob.
You do?
Sure. You're my best friend.
I am?
Yeah. That's why I was teasing with you.
Oh, Looney Bird, What's that noise?
I don't know.
It sounds like feedback. Can't be feedback. Microphones aren't on. The microphone's not on, is it? Looney Bird, check your microphone. See if it's on.
Okay, Billy Bob. Billy Bob, it's on.
Oh, no.
Boy, you gotta look stupid when them curtains open. I'll be in my barrel.
No, now you come back here, Looney Bird. Don't leave me out here alone. Oh. Hi, folks. I guess y'all are kind of wondering what's going on, and that is to say, in as much as I'm gonna take a break, okay? I hear the telephone ringing. I gotta go.